Hello everyone. It's what's the date today? It's October 25 here in California, and we're here in our boat. And there's my puppy just taking a nap. It's a little messy right now, and we just got back from the store and bought some supplies for the boat to replenish the fridge and the pantry, all that jazz. Yeah, so this is the storage. Show you. Here we got a little storage here. We got olive oil and all that jazz, cereal, sesame seed oil, sugar, coffee, and then we got more stuff from the 99-cent store because it's the one close by to the marina, so that's where we went. And I got a whole bag here. Here it is, and I'm just gonna show you guys. We'll do a grocery haul video. So we got this orange Gatorade, cranberry juice. I don't know why my husband got this one. It's tamale. I don't know. I don't like it, but he likes it, so whatever. And he wants to try this iced coffee. And peanut butter. So I'll put it right here in the pantry or in the cover. And we got this Martinelli's raspberry juice, a jar of mayonnaise. Let's move on to the second bag. We actually spent $35 for everything. We were kind of shocked, but you know, in this day and age, nothing is shocking anymore. But if you go to the 99 cents, you expect everything is 99 cents each. But there are some items that are like $1.99 and $2.45, something like that. So that's what happened. We got Belvita, pomegranate juice, Martinelli apple juice, and another raspberry Martinelli, cran grape juice. This is handy to have in the boat, and my husband loves this juice, so he made sure he got plenty in the boat. Another cranberry juice, sparkling Martinelli sparkling apple juice, and $1.49 strawberry jam for the toast, like for butter and jelly, peanut butter and jelly toast, like that, peanut butter and jelly sandwich. It's kind of nice to have those in the boat, so if we wanted to snack on something, then we have it, you know. And let's get the last bag of goodies. It's right here. Okay, so we got rice-a-roni long grain wild rice. I believe this is 99 cents, but if you go to like a different store, it's almost about this big if you get this 99 cents rice-a-roni wild rice. My favorite, Cheetos line, just a small pack. Because sometimes, you know, I love my junkies sometimes. And this Cheetos Flaming Hot. This is $2.99. Very good snack. just once in a while, you know. And then we have this, just one toothpaste for the boat, because this is not the kind that we really use, so I just grab one for now. Reason. It's a chewy chocolate caramel covered in rich European chocolate. It's a candy. It's a soft candy. My husband loves those. And the last one is a whole bag of grapes, fresh from California. Oh my goodness, this is so refreshing right now, especially when you're in the boat. You want to eat something like refreshing and healthy, so I gotta try some of this. Yummy. So, they said don't talk while you're eating or while you're chewing, but I think it's fine. So guys, that's it for now, and we're gonna be sleeping here in our boat one more night, and then go back to our place tomorrow, because it's Sunday. We need to get ready for church. So that's it. That's the ganap for today, or that's the happening for today. Nothing much, because it's kind of cloudy right now. It's like a rainy weather. It's perfect for taking a nap. It's like a bad weather, you know. So that's it, guys. See, it's smelling cloudy outside. Okay, so that's it for today, and thank you for watching this video, and I hope you like this, guys, and hope to see you on my next video. Bye for now, and God bless. Bye bye.